Reading is fun. Complete these sentences. Animals. Actions. A butterfly can fly. A mima dash can wriggle. An elephant dash can hop. You dash. Let's talk. Why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? What can the myna do? What can you do? Sing, paint, write. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? What are the lucky things that have happened to you? Tell your friends in the class. Let's listen. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. Silence game. Close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words: butterfly, myna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. With your eyes still shut, imagine that you are seeing these creatures. Open your eyes and move like they do.